welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I am going to be unboxing and then demoing for you this crystal clear MagSafe case by a company called Simtect. They make some really excellent cases for the iPhone 13, and this is a MagSafe case specifically for the iPhone 13 Pro Max, which is the phone I have. And they do make this case also for the iPhone 13 Pro. But this particular one is for the Pro Max. So we are going to check it out. Now you can see it has the hard crystal clear back, and it's got a film on it. I'll take that off in a minute. And then the sides are nice soft TPU. You can see, if we focus in there, you can see the little bumpers there, air cushions in the corners. And you can see the MagSafe ring there. So I'm going to put this on my phone in a second. But first, I'm going to take this off, and we're going to do the pass-through test. That is where I hold the thing up to the lens of my camera, and you can see my hand through that. Look, you wouldn't even know that there's anything between my hand and the camera lens, but there is. It's this case. So you can see crystal clear. And here is my iPhone 13 Pro Max. We're going to get that in there, and now you can see crystal clear. You can see my phone through that. Really beautiful view. Got that nice Apple logo right in the center of the MagSafe ring. So it looks really good. Allows the beauty of your phone to shine through, but you've also got good protection. You've got those bumpers. You can see that again, if I can focus in on that for you. You can see the bumper there, the little air cushions that are there. And so, you know, corners are the most dangerous spots to drop a phone on, but you've got a little extra air cushion just to help out with that. Now, just to take a quick look, you do have your volume rocker buttons that are easy access. You've got your vibration button, easy to get to. You've got your power button. Works just fine, easy to access that. You've got those air cushions on the top. Then on the bottom here, you've got cutouts, perfect cutouts for your speakers and your iPhone Lightning port. And again, you see you've got those little cushions on the bottom corners as well. Now, taking a look at the front, why are we showing my Visa card? I don't know, but you can see the edge there, just a slightly raised edge. So if you lay your phone down flat, it's not gonna, your screen won't be touching the table. And then on the back here, you have a raised bumper that's raised so that when you set your phone down on the back, the cameras won't be touching because this is slightly raised, just a slight bit higher than the cameras. So really excellent case, but then of course you've got the MagSafe feature. So case looks great. It's going to protect your phone well, but now let's check it out and see how the MagSafe works. So you can see here we are in my car, and I've got my MagSafe car mount, and this is the MagSafe case by Simtect, and just put that on there. Stays really nice. It won't fall off. This is an iPhone 13 Pro Max, so the largest iPhone you can pretty much get with a MagSafe case, and it stays on there, stays put, driving around LA, rough roads, bumps, no issues at all. This case, it does not, no fear of it falling off, and comes off easy enough, but you can tell when you put it on there, it's just, you can tell that is a really solid connection that's making, and it's not going anywhere. And so you want it to. So works really great in the car with the MagSafe car mount. So you can see I've got a MagSafe mount / charger here, and I've got that MagSafe case from Simtect on my phone, iPhone 13 Pro Max. Just gonna stick it there, and you can see holds, no problem at all. It's holding well. It's not gonna fall off because that is a MagSafe case. Those magnets on there are good. I can even hold this whole thing by the phone, and you can see no problem at all, and just comes off nice and easy. So yeah, really great case by Simtect. MagSafe part works really excellent, as you can see, both in my car and on this desk mount. So a really excellent clear case, allows the beauty of the phone to shine through, but gives you the MagSafe functionality excellent, excellent case by Simtect, and definitely one I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share this video with them. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Don't forget to favorite this playlist or subscribe to my channel to keep up with future product reviews. And that's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.